feeling perpetually hungry can be a frustrating and bewildering experience. While occasional hunger is a normal biological response, constant hunger can signal underlying issues. Several factors, ranging from physiological to psychological, can contribute to this persistent sensation. Understanding these causes is the first step in addressing and managing perpetual hunger effectively. 1. Poor dietary habits. Diets high in refined carbohydrates and sugars cause rapid spikes and crashes in blood sugar levels, leading to frequent hunger pangs. A lack of protein and fiber, which promote fullness, can also leave you feeling hungry shortly after eating. 2. Hormonal imbalances. Hormones like ghrelin, hunger hormone, and leptin, satiety hormone, regulate hunger. Imbalances, such as leptin resistance, can disrupt these signals, making you feel hungry all the time. This is often linked to obesity and metabolic disorders. 3. Sleep deprivation. Lack of sleep affects hunger hormones by increasing ghrelin and decreasing leptin, leading to increased appetite. Being awake longer also extends the window for eating, contributing to excessive calorie intake. 4. Stress and emotional eating. Stress increases cortisol levels, which can boost appetite. Emotional eating, using food as a coping mechanism for stress, anxiety, or depression, can also cause constant hunger. 5. Medical conditions. Conditions like hyperthyroidism, diabetes, and polycystic ovary syndrome, PCOS, can cause frequent hunger due to their impact on metabolism and blood sugar levels. Certain medications can also increase appetite as a side effect. Persistent hunger can be challenging, but understanding its root causes and implementing appropriate strategies can help manage this sensation effectively. By addressing dietary habits, lifestyle factors, and potential medical issues, it's possible to achieve a healthier, more balanced relationship with food.